Why would anyone need a beer flood alarm if nothing like this has happened since 1814? Honestly, I don't know. But our goal is to test the claim that the iSocket multi-liquid detector, this one, can indeed detect any liquid, and how it performs compared to the iSocket water sensor, this one. So we have both sensors. This one uses photosensor technology, the one that is called the iSocket multi-liquid detector. And we also have the one which is called iSocket water sensor, which is based on the property of water or other liquid to be conductive. And of course we have beer, and we have iSocket. And here we have a nice dashboard. The sensor is already connected to the iSocket. And here on the nice dashboard we can monitor alarm events in real time. I haven't set up voice, text, email or WhatsApp notifications, but that's possible too. The worst part, let's spend some beer. Okay, here we go. Wow! It works! Of course it is. Why do we still have alarm? Because we still have beer here. You probably noticed we have seen, let's call it beer flickers here. Why? Well, I guess that's because we still have beer here on the photo element of the sensor. So let's dry it and test again. So let's put it in. Okay. Okie dokie. So you can see beer flickers, brownouts. Yeah, that's interesting. So, and we are dry again. Not actually yet. I think we are. And that's why we need to test another one which has electrical detection system and compare with photosensor. And for that reason I should unplug the sensor from the socket, and when I do this you will notice another nice feature about power cut detection. So let's take a look. I unplug the socket and you can see power lost notification. Yeah. So now when lights are off I will plug the new sensor and will show you how the power is restored. So I plug it in another one, and now you will see another feature about power restore message. We should wait a bit so that the unit will get into the cellular or mobile network, and then we will see this message. It may take up to a couple minutes. Now we are probably online. Yes, and you can see power restore message now. So we are connected, we are online, and let's try to repeat our experiment with this one. We put it to the beer and we have beer flood. What could be more exciting? And when we remove it, we are immediately good to go without beer flickers. No, we cannot be good without beer, but without beer flickers, I think we are good. So, conclusion. Both sensors perfectly detect beer spills. However, this one, with the photosensor, gives us what we call the beer flickers. And another one with electrical detection system doesn't do so. Well, reasonable question. Why would anyone then need this one with the photo sensor? Well, it's a tricky question. It's all about your application. I have tested this with different types of water, tap waters, lake waters, from different lakes, with different liquids. And what I can say for sure that when you deal with poor water, like rainy water in your garden or distilled water in the lab, then you can only good to go with this one, with the photo sensor, which will detect this water, because it's all about conductivity. Beer is conductive. Yeah, it drives us. Yeah. So conductive liquid you can detect electronically with this one, or you can detect with this one, as we have seen on our video. However, poor water cannot be detected with the electrical system, which is logical because it doesn't conduct electricity. So in that case, the only sensor you can use is this one, which is based on photosensor elements. And as I told you, so it's all about your applications. Application. In most cases, you still need to adjust something based on your application. For tap water, in most cases, probably I can say in all cases, it is conductive water, so this one is good to go. However, with this one you have another nice feature. You can plug it to the wall, and whenever your neighbors decided to take a beer jacuzzi, you will be alarmed. So guys, now have a good beer time. Bye.